If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few weeks ago we went to explore Chinatown in Dubai Mall. We went there on the same day that we went to the aquarium. We were already super hungry, so we didn't get to take as many footage on the surrounding area of the Chinatown. But basically, if you are going to the Dubai Mall by metro, you will arrive at the second floor, so you need to take an escalator down to the first floor. Go to the far right of the Dubai Mall until you see Mark and Spencer. That's when you'll know that you are close to the entrance of the Chinatown. If you are already familiar with Dubai Mall, the Chinatown entrance is basically right below the normal food court. And finally, we are at the Chinatown food court.
Much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's...
This food court features mainly Asian cuisines, including Japanese but mainly Chinese food. This is an express one bowl hot pot place.
Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be?
There's also a sushi place, which I think the price is quite reasonable by Dubai standard.
I can only see you in my mind. You'll be gone.
There are of course quite a few beef noodle places, and this is what I got for myself, which is the handmade beef noodle. We got one piece of chicken and beans bao to share. Originally we wanted to get the wagyu bao, but it's sold out for the day. This is my order of beef noodle. It looks a little bland, but I'm gonna be dumping a lot of chili oil in it. And finally, this is my husband's order, which is the express hot pot. At this point, I know that my husband's choice is better than mine. His broth is more flavorful. I would give it a 7.5 out of 10. This bao comes with a dipping sauce, but we wanted to try it on its own first. I like a strong beef broth when I eat beef noodle, but this one, despite putting in that much chili oil, it still doesn't have that kick to it, so it's a 5 out of 10 for me. This bao is kind of okay. I wish they put in more meat to it, but it's a solid 7 for me. One redeeming point about my dish is the noodle itself. It's nice and springy. I feel like the noodle is quite fresh, so that's a plus point.
you can take me on. I'm falling deep.
The beef is also tender, but I quite like the taste of braised beef more, so I will definitely order that one next time.
All the chances that we need. I've been driving too long, gets out of control. If only we knew how to close. I promise I'll hold
It turned out my husband didn't really like the lotus root.
close. Pillow talks a symphony.
After finishing his entire bowl of hot pot, he attempted to finish my bowl of noodle. Here's the total cost of our lunch at Chinatown food court. After that, we went to explore a little more of the Chinatown section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so that you get notified the next time I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Pillow talks a symphony when I belong together.